have some products that are gonna work really well for you before you put your hijab on, so try these out. One of the hair masks that I really recommend is the Cassie & Curls Moisture Hair Mask. It's a great cleansing treatment. It also has amla and aloe vera powder in it. So I definitely recommend that you do this hair mask, and you just have to leave it in for anywhere from like an hour or two, and then you can wash this mask out. And after that's done and your hair is still damp, you're going to grab that Moroccan rose water and then just evenly like spray it all over. It's even amazing for your skin, your face. It'll just leave a nice glow. It has natural oils in it already that will hydrate your hair strands. Once that is done, it's time to lock everything in with the argan serum. And you just use a little bit at a time and then spread it throughout your hands, and then you're going to be doing it right throughout your hair. And then once you spread it throughout, you can even comb or brush it through as well. A lot of times I like ponytails or buns, and so with Khadija today, we're going to do a bun. It's gonna keep your hair in place. Again, it's not gonna make your hijab move all over the place. Your hair is not gonna be just rubbed against the material, causing it to be over manipulated. So this will help a lot. If you need an underscarf or like a silk wrap, you can definitely use that as well. So there you have it. Healthy hair care under the hijab. Don't let your hair fall through the cracks. Hijab doesn't mean no hair care.